grown from popcorn into chips, into croutons, into a full line of condiments, and other foods. The equipment that we have is changing how we've done business. So it's given us the ability to grow. It's a partnership, and that's what we've experienced here.
I've been very impressed with working with Matrix products. The machines run reliably. They do what they say they'll deliver on. I can tell you that the Morpheus has more than doubled our production from the Elite. Calling them up with any question, they're very responsive and eager to help. Matrix equipment is their dependability. They perform the way that they say they're going to. They deliver on their promise. Service technician that came out and trained me, he gave me his number, email. I can call him or email him anytime I have an issue. It's not that you don't have to call customer support. I can call that technician directly and I get a response right away, and we have a little bit of a relationship so he knows what I'm working with. And so a changeover, all you have to do is adjust the film, make sure that it's centered with your former, and it ran before, so right when you start it up, it's just going to run again like it did before. It just runs right when you press start.
And then suddenly getting new equipment in, being able to get something that works so much easier. You can set it up and, set it up, let it run, forget it, and it was fantastic. We're going with a company that can help us on everything as far as baggers and scales. They can help us with the whole line. That's why it was all turned into Matrix. The experiences have been very good. The department was really good with us, and you know exactly what we want. The technical support over the phone's been really well, really good. And he talked me right through it and found the problem without even, it was just a matter of minutes over the phone that he goes, oh yeah, it's over here. Best thing about it, there's probably two things on it. It stays running, and when we do have questions, the service getting it taken care of right out. Any questions they can answer most everything on the phone. Now the changeovers on them are the programming is all there. We really have to do nothing. It's a matter of if it's changeover, just film. Film is easy. So usually everything is just, everything that I've dealt with so far has been Johnny on the spot. I would say amazing. I would recommend Matrix to anybody that would ask. They were talking about the Morpheus, and they were talking about how much faster it was going to be. I was really skeptical about it because I thought, this is light product. It's not, there's no way it can go that fast. And I've had to eat my words. The one thing about the machine that so far the only one tool we have to use is the one 13mm wrench, and it takes care of any changes we've had to make on any of those machines. The techs are fantastic.
I chose Matrix because of its reputation in the marketplace. It was second to none. If you went out and you asked people in the industry, if you had to build a plant and you had to do it with a partner, who would be that partnership? And they came at the top of the list of everybody that I recruited. So Matrix is, to us, our partnership. If they were two logos on this building, it would say Pop and Matrix. Into a broader snack food major supplier, we realized that we needed to get speeds. So the Morpheus became exactly what we were looking for, and it has been a phenomenal asset to the company. The speeds, the quality, the reduction in labor, everything about the machine is promised to be exactly what they said it would be. We've been able to do over 4 million bags of product in 2015, with the plant only operating at half the year, and projected to do over 8 million bags this year, with about half the people we had when we were running 2 million bags. We were able to get their team to come in here within 24 hours and solve problems, calling their training team, calling their service department in the middle of the night, people answering at 10 o'clock at night, 2 o'clock in the morning to help us get the machines back and running. True partnership any company should want. If you're growing and you don't have the resources to find solutions at the tip of your fingertip, you need someone that can invest into your company. Recommending makers to someone else is not a hard thing to do. If you walk in a facility and you see what we have here, it's state of the art. The speeds, the quality, the craftsmanship.